this quick video, we're gonna see how we can create easily and pretty fast and totally free a video montage using video clips and using the website canva.com. So we don't need to download and install any software. We just go here in this web app. We're gonna upload everything here. You're gonna need actually a good connection, internet connection, and then we're gonna upload everything and we're gonna create a video montage within minutes. So what we need this for? Well, we need it for many different reasons. You can check a video course in Canva, an entire video course explaining to you how to use all the tools. But in this video, we're gonna concentrate on just importing and uniting video clips in one single bigger video. So I have some clips here in my computer. So all I need to do is just upload or just click and drag to upload them in this videos area. So you can see you have the upload icon there. We're gonna wait and everything will be uploaded. So when everything is ready, we're gonna start to create our montage. So it's pretty quick and really easy. You can get the videos from your camera from your smartphone and just go there and do some video editing real quick. So these are all the videos right here, and we're gonna start to bring them into the montage. And if you want, you can like see in the details which one goes first and which not. So you can also like click and drag one after the other to be more precise, or you can change the order of appearance. You can do whatever you want. You can create your custom montage any way you want. So you can see all the names here also to see which one is first and then the other, but usually they will be uploaded in with the name of the alphabetical order or the importing order. So I'm going to click and drag there and start to bring in all these clips. And just after a few minutes, you can see here I've just inserted everything. You have a zoom tool there, so you can see all the clips at once. You can click on the three dots, you can delete clips, or you can move them just by clicking and dragging. You can recreate your sequence of different sequence of the clips, so you can change the montage any time and as many times as you want. When you're ready, you click on share, and this is where you can basically share it or download it. So you can use it in YouTube or any other social network, or you can just download it and in MP4 format and then later understand what you're gonna do with it. So you can create a video for many reasons. Can be your holiday video, can be a wedding, can be like family videos and whatever. So this is a really, and you will find it there in the download. So this is where it's gonna be downloaded when it's gonna be finished. So right now it's just creating the final video, which is gonna be again everything unified and not all different clips. So this is one way you can use it. You can also do this with images. So again, if you want to create like some memories for holidays and special moments, you can do it with images or videos. And also in the channel, you will find other courses. You can see that, right? It appeared down there. So now it's downloading the file. It's going to be an MP4. So when it's finished, it's going to be opened up. I can select that option so that we can see it as soon as it's finished. And so while it's going to finish here to download, I just want to remind you that you will find a lot of video courses and video guides and lessons in our channel about video editing and video effects, and also other free software, open source software that you can use. And also we will add more in the future. So subscribe to the channel so that you can stay updated on this software or web apps or other, and also not only for video, but also 3D graphic design and so on. So I'm going to select there to open this as soon as it's finished. And you will find also a video course, an entire video course in Canva in the channel, which will explain to you also not only how to create a video montage, but also how to insert text and how to insert colors or video effects or like QR codes if you want, or a lot of things here like vector graphics, infographics, animations, and so on. So you will find really a complete video course explaining to you all these different tools and features that Canva has totally for free. Now this is, can be used um, for professional also if you want. There is a pro version and things like that. Okay, there it is. This is the finished video. It's completed, so we can see here how it looks. It looks nice. So now I can decide if I want to export it or share it in any other social. So that's going to be it for this video guide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.